think like all of you, we have found ourselves in a very unexpected time and place, and well, we just wanted to video blog. We got a trailer. So when we first came to America unexpectedly, we were borrowing a trailer from our friends. Shout out to City Tiles Contracting. So now that we are here even longer than we expected to be, my mom bought us a trailer and it's actually in perfect working order. Our little family of 4 has called it home for like a month or so. Yeah, and we live on a farm. Maybe you can hear all the animals in the background. That's a goat. We are embarking on a tiny home trailer renovation, and our inspiration was from a website and a blog and an Instagram page by Proverbs 31 Girl, and I can show you the links. Our goal is to just get this done in 2 weeks or less, and Proverbs 31 Girl spent about $500, but she does a lot of DIY, so she probably had a lot of other basic things that we will still have to buy. We'll find out how much our total is, but we will try to be as frugal as possible. So thanks for joining us, and yeah, keep encouraging us, please. Bye.
Let's go on in.
Oh yeah, that. Dark wood, white, black accenting, spray paint this, gold edges, white wood fake ship. We'll take out all these wood stickers, white with black hardware, black accent paint, this sink black, wallpaper on top of this, a white subway tile, slip cover the couch, paint the walls white. We'll take out this upholstery, a natural wood, paint this black, white cushions, got this carpet, Hulk the edges, white subway tile. Supposedly painting everything white already does a whole lot. Stick on floor tiles, black chalkboard paint here.
So, day 1. Got rid of hideous curtain coverings in all rooms. Also got rid of all the furniture. Took off every single hinge in the house.
Those are cabinets.
Or not
handles.
hinges, handles. Not hinges. We still got hinges.
And took all the measurements.
And took all the measurements. It's amazing. Day 1
is done.
That's right.